Like current in the ocean, let gratitude be in motion. Life is never too dismal to experience a blessed overall. Even when you fall, there's something to be grateful for. You never have to dig deep to remember at least one thing that brought laughter. Sweet experiences from what was bitter. Allow them to make gratitude glitter. You are wide awake. That's grace with great taste. And my take, be thankful for heaven's sake. Breath, the presence of water, your every step, the joy of being a consumer. Show appreciation for them and even things considered small matters. There's something to be grateful for. Be grateful.